These casters are humongous. Look at the size of that, you guys. 6-inch caster, all terrain. You could put this on a cart. Whatever you need it to do, it can do, you guys. I believe up to 2,500 pounds of capacity. This is insane. Now, what I'm going to use it for is for my drum. All right, we are redoing the casters for the drum. Pretty much it did what it had to do. Now we have something that's more durable, swivels, nice and easy. These will be left outside because it will be under the ugly drum. And you can use this on your toolbox. I just put all the screws back on that was previously here, and I put the 2 brakes on the same side. So for the brakes, you just push down for on, and it clicks very nice. Down, clicks, don't move, off. On the right is off, and now it moves. All terrain, 2,500 pounds. Can't beat it, you guys. You cannot beat this. It rolls very nice. Put my heavy drum. Ugh. Whew, my heavy, ugly drum. If you tall, then you will definitely appreciate these wheels and this little custom design that I did. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and that will be all. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.